Number 5. Temple of Debod. This Egyptian temple, dating back to the 2nd century before Christ, transported to Madrid's Cuartel de la Montaña Park piece by piece. The temple was donated to Spain by the Egyptian government to save it from floods following the construction of the Great Aswan Dam. It is a nice place to walk around, enjoy the view of Madrid, take pictures and relax. Number 4. Catedral de la Almudena. It is the most important religious building in Madrid. It's a really beautiful construction and totally worth the visit, and is free to enter. It was built during 110 years from 1883 to 1993, so it is one of the newest cathedrals in Europe. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press thumbs up and follow the channel. Number 3. Mercado San Miguel. This place is a charming covered historic food market that retains its original 20th century iron structure. Medium-sized market with well-displayed and delicious-looking food for all types, both for taking away and eating on the spot. If you want to sample many different Spanish food in a short amount of time, this is the place to be. However, it's very crowded sometimes. I hear people call this a tourist trap, but I think it's a genuine experience for this kind of market. Number 2. Buen Retiro Park. The most important and famous park in this city. El Retiro is one of the most favorite places both for the tourists and locals. It's 118 hectares of green space in the very center of the city. El Retiro is packed with things to see, like monuments, galleries, statues, lakes, and magnificent buildings. Some of the most interesting things in this park are El Retiro Lake, the large artificial lake where you can rent a boat for strolling around, the magnificent glass palace, and only sculpture for Debod by itself. Number 1. Royal Palace of Madrid. This palace is the largest in Western Europe and is one of the largest in the world. With over 135,000 square meters and 3,418 rooms, it has witnessed centuries of Spanish history. This place is a must-see in Madrid. Even without going inside, it's possible to stand behind the railings and gaze at the highly impressive facade of this royal palace. It is also a beautiful place to walk around and admire the gardens and impressive architecture. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more traveling videos.